Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm checking out this super cool 2019 Pleasure-Way Tofino. This thing is tiny, just 17 feet 9 inches long, but don't let that size fool you. First off, look at this pop top roof. One quick push and it lifts effortlessly with hydraulic struts, giving you full standing height and revealing a huge overhead bunk that sleeps two. The Sunbrella fabric is top quality and really keeps everything dry and comfortable. Down here, the layout's super smart open. The rear sofa converts into a comfortable queen-size bed in seconds, and you've got 4 seat belts in total. So it's a great for couples and even for a family. Over in the galley, you've got something you need for every meal: a 2.3 cubic foot fridge, burner, induction cooktop, and a nice stainless steel sink. One thing that makes this van special is how minimalist it is. No built-in bathroom, which gives you more usable space. Instead, you get an enormous 70 cubic foot rear cargo room for bikes, kayaks, etc. Power-wise, this is right up there with the dual lithium batteries and a 2,000 watt inverter. So you can camp dry and comfortable for days. The build quality is exactly what you'd expect from Pleasure-Way: premium materials, smart design, and easy to drive ProMaster feel. Let me know what you think in the comments section below, and if you're enjoying some of these RV tours, hit that smash that like button and subscribe. We've got another one coming soon.